Hey everyone, welcome to 気づきヨガ. I'm Tsutomu. Today we are practicing yoga for gratitude. Gratitude is not more than just a thought. It's a practice and way of being. Through movement, breath, and awareness, we are open heart, grounding ourselves, and invite appreciation to every part of our body and mind. There is no need to force for anything. Just show up, move with intention, and allow gratitude to unfold naturally. Let's begin.
Come to a hero pose or a Seiza pose, sitting back on your heels. If this isn't comfortable, feel free to sit cross-legged, seated position. Let your hands rest gently on your thighs, palms facing up, a gesture of openness and receiving. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale fully, arriving in this moment. As you continue to breathe, silently repeat, I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for my breath. I am grateful for myself. Feel the warmth of gratitude settling into your body. With your next inhale, blink your eyes open. Gently lifting your chin. Slowly shift forward onto your hands and knees, finding tabletop pose. From tabletop, tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back into downward dog. Take a moment to pedal out your feet, grounding into the earth. Then gently walk your feet forward to the top of your mat and rise up to stand. With your next inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky, feeling spaciousness in your chest. As you exhale, bend your elbows wide into a cactus shape, opening through the heart. Inhale, stretch your arms back up, lengthening. Exhale, bend the elbow again, lifting the chest slightly, softening the shoulders. Inhale, sweep your arms back up to the sky. And as you exhale, hinge forward into a gentle forward fold. From your forward fold, soften your knees and let your upper body relax completely. Inhale, lift halfway up with a flat back. Lengthen through your spine. As you exhale, release back down. With your next inhale, press through your feet, sweeping your arms back up to the sky. Reaching tall. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Repeat 2 more times, letting each movement feel like an offering of gratitude. And then step your right foot back, lowering into crescent lunge. With your left foot forward and right foot back in crescent lunge, find stability in your foundation. Bring your hands to heart center. Inhale. Lengthen through your spine. Exhale, twist to the left, hooking your right elbow outside your knee. Feel your breath guiding you deeper, creating space in your chest and spine. Take a moment to soften into the twist. Noticing what shifts when you allow gratitude to be present. Inhale, unwind, returning to crescent lunge. Exhale, step forward into mountain pose. Switch sides. Right foot forward, left foot back. This time, as you twist to the right, notice any difference between sides, where you feel more open, where you might hold tension. Rather than forcing symmetry, invite appreciation for your body as it is. After your final twist, step forward to mountain pose. From mountain pose, root down into your right foot and begin to hinge forward. Floating your left leg back behind you. Reach your arms forward or bring your hands to heart center, balancing in Warrior 3. Instead of striving for perfection, embrace a sense of gratitude for your body's effort, its balance, its strength, its presence. After a few deep breaths, gently lower your left foot down and return to mountain pose. Shake it out, then switch sides. This time, lift your right leg behind you, noticing how this side feels different. Your balance might waver, and that's okay. Gratitude is about accepting the present, even if it's a little wobbly. Step your feet wide apart, preparing for Malasana. Lower your hips down into Malasana, Yogi squat. Bring your hands to heart center and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath, the quiet pulse of gratitude already within you. Slowly bring your seat to the mat and lower down onto your back. Cross your right ankle over your left knee, hugging your left thigh in towards your chest. With every exhale, soften into the stretch, letting go of any tightness or resistance. And then left ankle over right knee. This time, as you stretch, focus on your breath and how it creates openness with every inhale. And then extend both legs down, preparing for supported fish pose. Place a block or a cushion under your upper back and let your arms open wide, palms facing up. Supported fish pose is a deep heart opener, helping us embody gratitude physically. Allow yourself to receive. And gently remove the block and lower into reclined butterfly. Soles of the feet together, knees falling open. One hand on your heart, one on your belly. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. And then extend your legs long, lower yourself down onto your back. Arms relaxed, settling into Savasana, feeling each vertebra connected with the mat. Let your arms rest by your sides, palms facing up in a gesture of openness. Allow your whole body to relax as you take a deep breath in, filling yourself with appreciation for this practice. As you exhale, soften completely, surrendering to the present moment. Let gratitude settle in, not just as a thought, but as a feeling in your heart. Stay here, simply receiving. Slowly bring your awareness back into your body as you start to move your fingers and toes. Gently roll to one side and press yourself up to a comfortable seat. Bring your hands together at your heart, bowing your head slightly. Gratitude is not just a practice, it's a way of seeing, a way of being. Take this feeling with you, and may you continue to find appreciation in this simplest of moments. Thank you for sharing this space with me today. I hope to see you soon at next Kizuki moment. Namaste.